What is a general provision of the place of supply of service? Section 12 of IGST Act 2017 lays down the principles for identifying the place of supply of service in the case attained specified services. In respect of services other than specified services, the place of supply of service would be under the section 12 subsection 2 of IGST Act 2012 17. Where a service are provided to a registered person, place of supply shall be location of such person. Where the service provided to a person other than a registered person or unregistered person, the location of the service shall be location of the recipient where the address on the record exists, or location of the supplier of service and other cases. So registered person na location of the registered person. If unregistered na location of the supplier service. Now in the case of courier example, and Delhi courier has been done for unregistered person from Kolkata came to do the services, send the courier to Chennai. So in this case, the place of supply is Delhi rather than Kolkata or Chennai. So same way, if in the case of registered person asking the goods to be delivered from Kolkata, asking example in the case of same then registered person if they come now that's different case. But a registered person asking to do a marriage ceremony to one marriage ceremony consultant from Delhi, he is from Kolkata, and he's a registered person asking he is going to conduct in Madhya Pradesh. The where does the place of business is? Kolkata, not the place of business, Madhya Pradesh. If unregistered, no, unregistered, no, Madhya Pradesh.